Hello everyone, this is Kinga Szabo from Beacon LLC. Today I'm going to talk to you about corporate tax in the UAE. I've been receiving many inquiries and questions about what the corporate tax is and when is it going to be introduced, how it's going to work, and so on and so on. And I've seen tremendous amount of false data on the internet. Everyone seems to be an expert in corporate tax, and they have their own ways of interpreting the regulations what have been issued by the government of the UAE. So first of all, what is a corporate tax? Corporate tax is a tax levied on your profit, meaning you have your income for a year, you deduct all your expenses, and then whatever is left after having deducted all the expenses, that is your profit. Now, corporate tax is tax levied on your profit. In the UAE government has already announced the implementation of a corporate tax. The corporate tax rate is going to be 9%. Again, 9% of the profit. Now, one more thing that the government has announced, that is any profit below 360,000 dirhams, this is United Arab dirhams, is 0%. Okay, anything below 360,000 dirhams, which is roughly $100,000, you pay 0% corporate tax. Anything above 360,000 dirhams, you pay 9% corporate tax. Okay, just let us assume an example, something that's easy to think with. My profit for the year will be, let's say, 460,000 dirhams. So I will pay 0% up to 360,000, and I pay 9% on the amount above, which is 100,000 by 9%. That means my corporate tax on the 460,000 dirhams profit will be 9,000 dirhams, which is approximately $2,700, right? These are two very important factors to consider, okay? Now the second thing, when do I have to pay the corporate tax? According to the announcement done by the government, those companies which close their financial year on the 30th of June every year will have their first year, taxable year, starting on the 1st of July 2023, which means this only applies to companies which complete their financial year on the 30th of June. Okay? For everyone. Now, who are these, or which are these companies? Mainly, these companies are the US-based companies which close their financial year on the 30th of June. They will have to start their tax year on the 1st of July, right? Now, for everyone else, every other company which completes the financial year on the 31st of December, the first taxable year will start on the 1st of January 2024. Okay, this is applicable to companies which complete their financial year on the 31st of December. Now, what does this mean? I think most of the companies will fall into this category. Okay, this means that the first time anyone or these companies will have to pay corporate tax will be in 2025. Okay, that will be the first year when these companies will need to pay corporate tax. Now, which companies will have to file for corporate tax? As per the regulations of the UAE government, free zone entities are not included in the corporate tax scheme as long as they don't sell inside the country. So free zone entities will not be included in the corporate tax scheme. Therefore, mainly the mainland entities will be liable to pay tax, to pay corporate tax. I hope I managed to clarify these issues. Let's summarize, okay? Any income below $100,000, 360,000 dirhams is taxable at a rate of 0%. Anything above that is taxable with 9%. Those companies which complete their financial year on the 30th of June will have their first taxable year starting on the 1st of July 2023. Those companies which complete their financial year on the 31st of December will have their first taxable year starting on the 1st of January 2024, meaning they will have to pay corporate tax first in 2025. And it will mainly be applicable for mainland companies, and free zone entities will be excluded from the corporate tax scheme. Please drop your comments below if you have any questions. We are happy to answer it. And please subscribe to our channel. I will be very happy to keep you posted on any changes in the laws and regulations. This was Kinga Szabo from Beacon LLC.